The faculty and staff at Edgecombe Community College work hard to make sure our students embrace infinite possibilities with a focus on careers in nursing, collision repair, childhood education, and more. These scholarship recipients have limitless potential.
Hi, my name is Ruby Sanchez Amaya.
Hi, my name is Crystal Sanchez Amaya.
And we're sisters. This is my second year at ECC. My major is nursing. My future goal is to be a registered nurse in the Air Force and eventually be a CRNA.
This is my first year at ECC. My major is dental hygiene. My goal is to become a registered dental hygienist. And we chose ECC because we did dual enrollment through high school and wanted to pursue our education at ECC and because it was closer to home.
We want to thank G. Ernest Golf and Helen Powell Golf for investing in our education. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nellie Ruffin, and I would like to give a thanks to the family of the Gladys C.H. Matheson for their scholarship. I'm enrolled in the early childhood education program because I have a strong passion for kids and I enjoy working with young children. I chose ECC because of their strong reputation, also because of the strong educators, and also the hands-on approaches that they give their students that's enrolled in the school, which would be a great benefit to me because I plan on opening my own childcare business in the near future.
My name is Jeremy Snyder. I'm a U.S. Army veteran and I'm a student here at Edgecombe Community College. I'm pursuing an associate's degree in collision repair. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the Barnhill family for the generous donation towards the scholarship. It's going to help me a great deal accomplishing what I need to in my classes. I also want to extend a very heartfelt thank you to everybody here at Edgecombe Community College. The staff and faculty have been absolutely amazing and helped me to pursue my career goals. After this, I plan on pursuing the rest of the courses required for me to complete my welding degree program, and then I plan on opening up a small business where I can customize and fabricate old vintage cars and motorcycles.
My name is Sarah Donnelly. I'm a current full-time employee here at ECC as the receptionist and an accounts payable tech in our business office. I am currently in my first year as a student here at ECC working towards my health information technology degree, and I'm hoping to take that into billing and coding when I finish here. I am going back to school for the first time in a while, working full-time and being a mom, so I'm really grateful to the Rotary Club and the Golden Leaf Foundation for helping me fund my continuing education.
Thanks to our donors who ensure our scholarship recipients have the resources they need to further their education. That's why infinite possibilities begin here at Edgecombe Community College.